These have been trying to murder me, so they need to go back home. Should I get more from them? Should I trust them? YOLO. Do people still say YOLO? Whoo! Back in the shop. Alright. So, for anybody who didn't know, Harbor Freight had a really large recall on their jack stands. So I was a little hesitant if I wanted to get more jack stands from them, because the last ones, well, like I said, were trying to murder me anytime I used them, as they would just fail and drop down, which is a huge, huge problem when you're under a car. So I decided to go back, and I happened to get the new versions, mainly because they have this. Now this guy is nothing more than a heavy-duty pin to make sure that this stays locked in place. So that way this cannot fall when it's in place, which is a great safety feature to have when you're crawling under a car. Nice peace of mind is always a huge plus. Let's go down and wrap these guys all the way and hang them up. I went through all that trouble to make that stand. And I don't see a way to hook anything on here. Oh, they're up there. Kind of. Moving on. That was more of a side quest for what I was working on for today. Today we're actually going to be working on this winch. Now this didn't come from Harbor Freight. This came from, I believe, Northern Tool Traveler 3,500 pound winch. And the reason I have this is specifically for when I get a project car. If you catch what I'm getting at here with these videos about project cars lately, I've been in the market for one, and I might have found one. No engine though, and I'm not pushing. I happen to have this 3,500 pound winch sitting around in my garage. Now it does have a plate. I'm like, well, I can weld to this and make something happen, or I can just go to the store and buy something. So I went to Harbor Freight. Got myself a new hitch, put the ball on here, and then up here will go my winch. Now clearly this is not gonna attach here, so I had to get something else. And I got this. This is essentially this plate with some handles and the extension to go into this box here. That's all it is, nothing crazy. But this allows me to be able to go up to Georgia, where I'm going to be going to look at this vehicle, to see the vehicle and determine if I like it without taking the trailer all the way up. Now normally I have a trailer that I borrow from my brother that is freaking awesome with a winch and everything, but I don't have that luxury this time. So I figured, oh, okay, I'll go get a U-Haul. They're not expensive. It'll fit on there. If I pick it up, I can pick it up there. I don't have to take a trailer up there. Man, this thing is big. Then I'm good to go. I just go to the local U-Haul place, pick up a U-Haul trailer, and then slide my winch into here and pull the vehicle up on there. Now, the other reason that makes this better than mounting like this winch onto a U-Haul trailer is the way the U-Haul trailer is designed. There's no good way to really pull something that's lower, so pulling up a ramp. So the winch being higher than the trailer is going to help give it a better pull. I'm not pushing. Simple as that. Plus I want to have this around so if I pick up other things or when I do get myself my own trailer, I have everything at my access whenever I need it. These are simple handles that just go end to end, and that's it. I can leave them off. I'll probably put them on just because I have them. All right, I'm gonna go and get all this mounted up, then we'll continue on with the rest of the stuff that I bring for when I go to check out the project car. Whew. Step one, done. Mounting this to here. Now, I had to modify it a little bit because this isn't actually big enough for this. So I had to drill 2 holes through the plate that came, or through this plate through here, and bolt it to that using the plate that came with the winch itself. It wasn't really that hard. I had to drill 2 holes and bolt it together. This battery is just a placeholder for the real one that's going to really be here, the big one, because this one's not going to be enough to pull a car up onto a trailer. So, phase 1 of this complete. now on to everything else I need to bring for going to check out this car. I like to be prepared when I go out to look at the car. So I bring things like, I like that. Oh. I like to be prepared when I go out. So I always bring a flashlight, nice 3-way that I can get up in if I need to. I need to jump start the car or power something up. I have a nice battery pack here, fully charged, just fresh off the charger. Pick this up on Amazon, put a link below for you. That way I have it always there, ready to go. If I need power for anything, I can test everything I need to while there. If they tell me the car doesn't run, I can at least make sure it turns over. If it can turn over by under its own power, that's a huge win. Simple things, paper towels. I like to keep a little band of other miscellaneous stuff. You know, some starter fluid, a little bit of oil, various ratchets, bungee cord, tie downs, toe straps, and a moving blanket that I keep all ready to go whenever I get ready to go check on the car, so that way all my bases are covered. I have everything all nice and neat. I don't have to go running anywhere else when I'm going to do this. I get there, do what I got to do. I like it, go pick up U-Haul, come back, and I'm on the road again. Because this drive I'm going to be taking to get there and back is all day. So I really hope this pans out. Other things I'm going to bring, like my snatch block, this battery, miscellaneous tools, hammers, wrenches, screwdrivers, pry bars, all those little things that if I need to tweak something, modify something, I have it at my disposal. Nothing too crazy. Safety glasses, that way if I scroll underneath, I'm not getting rust in my eyes. And a nice tow hook in case I need that as well to attach for the winch. That way I have everything. But that's it. All nicely organized. I'll put it all in the bed of my truck. That way it's all nice and easy. I like to be able to figure out what I'm going to get there and not have any surprises later. I hate having to run out and go somewhere and go find a Walmart or AutoZone to get what I need to come back, and then I'm running out of daylight. Those days are over. You stuff like this, you won't be doing that either. You'll be able to go check it out and pick up something you really like. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Till next time, peace.